Hello friends, hope you are in good health. This is Sadia from scholarshipraw.com. In this video, we will talk about famous German scholarship. Yes, the DAAD scholarship. Before starting the video, let me tell you that the link of our website is in the description box below. The DAAD scholarship offers a chance to international graduates from development and newly industrialized countries from all disciplines to take master's degree program at a state or state recognized German university, and in some exceptional cases to take a PhD degree. The DAAD scholarship will help you to obtain a university qualification in Germany. In this video, we will talk about the deadlines of the scholarship, eligibility criteria, benefits, and last but not the least, the step-by-step application procedure. So let's get started. The deadlines of the scholarship depends upon master's degree and the university in which you are going to apply. For details, please click on this link. Here you can see the list of master's courses offered under DAAD scholarship, institutions, languages in which they are offered, degree, and the deadlines to apply for DAAD scholarship. You can enroll in any course offered in German university under DAAD scholarship. Some of them are economic sciences, law, agriculture and forest sciences, art, music, design, engineering and natural sciences, humanity and social sciences, language and cultural studies, mathematics and natural sciences, medicine and health sciences. To know more about these courses and their availability, please click on the link given on our website. The next section is scholarship coverage. DAAD scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for international students. Depending on academic level, it will provide you monthly payment of €850 for graduate and €1,200 for PhD students. Along with this, travel allowance, payment towards health, accident and personal liability insurance, and one-off study allowance too. Under certain circumstances, scholarship holders may receive a monthly rent subsidy and a contribution towards tuition fee that may be charged by the university. This contribution will be maximum of €500 per semester. Next, we will discuss about eligibility criteria for DAAD scholarship. Required languages are English and German, depending upon the course you are selecting. For international programs, the language of instruction is English, so you have to submit an English language certificate, that is TOEFL or IELTS. For programs that are taught in German language, you are usually required to submit a German language certificate. Please click here to see the list of eligible countries. Here you can see all the eligible developing countries, continent-wise. Candidates must have a bachelor's degree or master's degree in an appropriate subject. Candidates should have at least 2 years of professional experience. Candidates should prove that their motivation is development related and are interested to take on social responsibility and will initiate and support processes of change in their personal and professional environment after completion of their course. Now I will tell you about how to apply for DAAD scholarship. Before starting application procedure, here is a question. Can you apply for more than one courses under DAAD scholarship? Yes, you can apply for up to 3 courses. If applying to more than one course, please list courses in order of priority in the DAAD application form. And do not change the priorities in the application form for each university. Here are required documents for DAAD scholarship. First document which is required is DAAD application form. Let's click on it. The form is both in English and German, so don't worry. On the first page, you will fill your name and select this option, postgraduate course with relevance to developing countries. Move on to the next page. Here you will fill your basic information, mailing address, and information about your educational background. On the next page, you have to give the priority of your selected courses and universities offering these courses. Next sections are about the chosen field of specialization in host university and research projects you want to do in Germany. Attach extra sheet if required. Here again you have to fill in the information about the courses and universities you are applying for. This section is about your language abilities. In the next section, a few DAT related questions have been asked. Here your travel history abroad and work experience is needed to be filled. In the end, your extracurricular interests and name and address of a person to be notified in case of emergency have been asked. Here, enter your current address and date. Now print this filled application form and hand sign it. The next document is personally signed CV. The recommended format for that scholarship is Europass. You can access it from here. Next is personally signed letter of motivation with current date. When applying for more than one postgraduate course, you have to submit one motivation letter explaining why you are applying for these specific courses and why you choose that priority. Letter of recommendation from your current employer. The letter must have letterhead, a signed and official stamp, and must have a current date. Certificate of employment from your employer that proves a minimum of 2 years of relevant work experience at the time of application, and if possible, a guarantee of free employment from your current employer upon returning home. Proof of language skills. You have to submit English certificate, IELTS or TOEFL for English taught programs and German certificate for German taught programs. Copies of academic degrees, copies of academic transcript including grading scale. Applicants from People's Republic of China are asked to submit an APS certificate with their application documents. Some courses may require additional documents. For detailed information, please see the relevant course description in the brochure and on the respective websites. The complete application must be submitted in English or German. The next section is about step-by-step application and selection process. First step is to choose a suitable course of your interest from here. As explained earlier, you can apply for 3 different courses. Let's click over here. Here you can see a number of available courses along with the information about level of study, duration, and deadlines. Let's select a course from engineering and related sciences. For example, Master's Program Infrastructure Planning. Click on the link. It will take you to the course page on university website. If the page of the course is in German, then I will recommend you to use Chrome browser because it can translate it into English by right-clicking it and select Translate to English. Now let's see about the application information from here. Here you can see the deadline, which is September 30th for that applicants. Scrolling down, here is the information about application process for this particular course. You have to submit the online application through this campus portal, but this application will be open on August. Here you can see all the documents which you will have to upload with the online application. These documents are pretty much the same as explained earlier in this video. Further, for this course, IELTS Band 6 and TOEFL course 550 is required. Please note that some universities might require you to send hard copies of these documents, but for this particular course, online submission of these documents is required. We have covered these 2 steps. After that, selection committee suggests potential candidates for the DAT scholarship. The suggested candidates will be contacted by DAD to upload their complete application to the DAD portal. The link to the DAD portal will be provided by DAD through email. The selection process will be finalized and the suggested candidate will be informed accordingly. One more thing. Make sure that you have a copy of each document of your DAD application ready, as those documents in PDF format have to be uploaded to the DAD portal in case you are suggested for DAD scholarship. That's all for DAD scholarship. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.